Every book has context. What if that context was reality? Come with me, Ashok. Hi, my name is Sagarika and this is my sister Tarika. We're part of this brand called Ordinary Madras. We've come all the way from Chennai and we are a brand that makes all of our clothing from 100% linen. And all of the clothing, as you can see here, has embroidery that has been hand done by our local karigars. Every piece of embroidery has been slowly and thoughtfully curated and put on each piece of clothing. And the way we've designed our clothing and our collection has been done in such a way that you can wear it through your daily occasions. Is meant to be versatile and styled across the collection that we have here. And even the colors, if you can see across all of our pieces, has been curated in such a way that it's muted, so you can actually wear it through a lot of different occasions that you may be to. And we're actually a brand that's only 1 year old. We've launched last November in Chennai, and we've been slowly trying to find ways of reaching women who align with our style of clothing, where being conscious and sustainable is a very big thought when they go to buy clothing. So the collection that we have brought here with us to this event has been inspired from the flower dahlia, which is a very resilient flower that you can see across a lot of seasons, and it's also known for its feminine grace. So that's basically what we have designed a lot of our pieces as inspiration from. And all of the work that you see here has been, as you mentioned before, hand done by our karigars. We also have some exclusive pieces we have brought here from Chennai just for this pop-up. This pop-up is happening in Hyderabad from the 29th of September to the 1st of October at Labels, the pop-up space. So please come and check out the collection. We would love to show you our pieces, not just our pieces. Come shop for your festive wardrobe at the Labels pop-up space. That's all I think. There isn't much more to say. Yeah, there isn't anything more than that.
The more is the what?
Yes. The idea is to let it speak for itself. So we have different silhouettes. We have kurta sets, shirts, dresses, tops. We're actually wearing pieces from our own collection. This is a kurta set
And that was Sagarika and Tarika from Orderly Madras. This is Abhay from Navbharat Samachar.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Janki and I represent Manla Jewelry. We are a brand of handcrafted jewelry which is purely brass based with silver plating. We also amalgamate a lot of materials. You'll see clay, you'll see wood. See for here, we have our earrings which has wood here. We've got stone, we've got brass. We also use fabric in a lot of our earrings. When you wear the earring, it usually pokes you in your ear, so we add fabric behind, and these are very lightweight. With our neck pieces, we again use a lot of charms, antique coins, and they're very lightweight. The fabric also does not bleed. It's all treated. We also have some beautiful clips to put in your hair. This is another very good concept that we have, which is called, this is for the button patti. So whenever you're wearing a kurta or a shirt, this is what accentuates the dress. So we have variety of neck pieces, and the best part is that, especially in our neck pieces, you will see only one of a kind. We do not repeat our pieces. So please come over and enjoy the collection. Thank you so much.
Move on to the energy back of people of here. It is so distinct. Yoni says hi to you. Yoni, how are you?
So we are exhibiting at Labels pop-up space in Banjara Hills. We are here until the 1st and we start from 10:30 until 8. So do visit us. We're looking forward to seeing you.
So that means tomorrow should be better. It'll all be around this time.
And that was Mandala, the brand by Janki, corresponding to Abhay for Navbharat Samachar.
Hello Hyderabad, this is Reena Rajpal here from Bangalore again, and I love coming to your city. So I'm here again at Labels the Pop-Up Space at Banjara Hills, and we are exhibiting on the 29th September, 30th September and 1st of October. Along with me I have some amazing other fabulous designers from Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Bangalore. Let me show you some of my latest collections. So I have carried some smart Abudai silk kaftans, and this is all hand shiburi. So my motto is to promote all the Indian artisans and create a real fusion silhouette and comfortable silhouettes as well. So we have color options on them. So this is something new that I have invented. It's a nice satin full length inner with the organza cape. So you could fuse peak cape with your western and Indian outfit as well. Here it goes. And that's a nice semi-silk unstitched top fabric which has a nice hand embroidery intricate detailing on it. So you could make a nice straight cut kurta or a kaftan depending on what style would you prefer. And these are my organic Kala cotton natural dyed indigo kaftan dresses. You could team them with any smart neck piece. Super comfortable, breathable fabrics. And this is hand shiburi done on the Kala cotton again. So my silhouettes are all comfortable, breathable, very easy to maintain and comfortable on the plus sizes. As you see, these are my pure linen A-line dresses. They come with pockets on the sides. I normally team them up with these smart neck pieces or any smart stoles. So we do have color options on them. A nice English grey, natural linen. So it would be a great pleasure to have you all on board and help our Indian artisans and enjoy wearing our collection. Looking forward to seeing you all. Thank you so much. So here again, so you could see this is on Kala cotton and it's all hand embroidered by our lovely artisans of India. It has this delicate kantha embroidery, all come with pockets on the sides. These are all dresses, that's hand embroidered mirror work, as you see this. And I have also got these hand painted borders made. You could use them on your sari, blouses, kurtas, anything, They're all hand painted, all one of a kind. These are all hand painted patches. You could use them on your tote bags, on your dresses, on your shirts. So this itself shows us that we have amazing artisans in India. Now this is something new that we've created. It's a nice straight cut khadi cotton kurta, ikat detailing and this intricate embroidery done on it. You could see the detailing. So this is what I love the most about our artisans. So it's a humble request to promote these amazing artisans of India and help them as much as possible. So you could wear this with your harems, dhotis, pencil pants, salwars. It's all hand blocked, straight cut kurtas. So I cater from size 40 going up to 7XL. So it's a one-stop shop plus sizes. So ladies, please do come to Labels the Pop-Up. See you.
That was Beyond Threads by Reena Rajpal, and what a collection she has, all the sustainable clothing. And would you like to say any closing dialogue for this?
Yes, Hyderabad. It would be a great pleasure to have you all and help all our artisans. Um, my motto and my passion is to help the maximum artisans of India. So it's a humble request to please drop in and enjoy the shopping experience that labels the pop-up space. Looking forward to seeing you all.
Hi, this is Amrita from brand Panika by Amrita. We are based Bangalore-based brand. We deal with authentic handloom connections of India. You can see as this is Gamusa. It's a northeast weaves, tribal weaves. We also curated Gamusa Dupatta. This is our exclusive collection. You will never get anywhere in India. It is only at Panika. We have Banarasi's pure organza silk sarees. We also have a beautiful linen fabric manufactured under us. And we create this beautiful dress. You can have a look at our client, beautiful client wearing similar kind of in such a vibrant orange color. Currently, I am wearing a Jamdani from West Bengal. We are here at Pop-Ups Label, Hyderabad from today, 29 till 1st of October, 10:30 to 8 p.m. Please visit here. So this is a weave from Orissa. It's a pure mulberry silk. It's a tribal weave of Orissa. It is known as Dongriya. You can see the motif fish and the peacock, which is actually symbolized as a fertility and a purity. And also deal with the tribal weaves, Naga. This is the Naga cotton. It's the rarest cotton you get in the India. We have also a beautiful state Mizoram. It's the Mizo cotton. It's a tribal weave again. So we are specialized in tribal. You can also have a look at the coat part weave here. This is a beautiful coat part weave sari. It's a tribal weave which has all the motifs from peacock to butterflies, deer to the crocs. With a beautiful temple border here. So this is a beautiful Patola collection. It's a Navratri. It has lots of different motifs of parrots, two elephants, two butterflies and all. Beautiful, authentic Chanderi weaves. This is actually known as Samantha Roots actress celebrity collection here. And we have patterns, both saris and dupattas. And we also have a different kind of Naga cotton. This is a Nooni cotton. And it has a traditional Naga, the horns, motif sides towards the borders. So these are the authentic collections which we curate with our weavers. We have lovely linen dresses, khadi cotton dresses here. You can have a look, move very comfortable. So the weather here in Hyderabad. You can have a trendy pattern of linen checks dresses here. So to catch up all dresses, please visit us at Labels Pop-Up from 29 to 1st of August. Thank you.
That was Panika by Amrita. She has a collection from Bengal to Assam, Gujarat, Assamese and tribals. That was Abhay SS from Navbharat Simachar.
Thank you so much. Please visit at Labels Banjara Hills, 29 to 1st of August from 10:30 to 8 p.m. See ya.
Hi there again. So I would love to introduce my friend Madhushri Kejriwal from Kolkata. She is an amazing designer and she makes these fantastic silk shirts and tops. So you could see the detailing done on it. That's complete applique work with the kantha work done on it. Wear it as a shirt, but unbutton it, wear it as a shrug. It's all multifunctional. This is an amazing fabric again. It trades really well. It's a nice Indo-Western cut with a nice anchor stitch done on it. You see this? That's another applique, lovely combination. So it's a very versatile kind of silhouette. That's on pure silk with lovely embroidery done on it. So these are all single pieces. She doesn't make multiples. Now this is something I rave about. It's a beautiful fray done on the upper body of the dress. This is on pure silk, very comfortable. Wear it as a dress, team it with the lower, without lower. So please do come. This is Madhushri Kejriwal from Kolkata.
Hello Hyderabad, this is Kara Couture from Bangalore, and we have got some lovely collection of sari and blouses for you. So let me show you some. These are all digital print Tassa saris. In this also you'll get a lot of varieties and range. These are all, you will get hand painted block print both designs in Tassas. Then we have hand painted with cut works. We have Katha, all detailed and intricate hand embroideries. We have pita work and sequins with hand paintings. And there are a lot more designs and collection to see. We have got some beautiful jamdanis for you on matka. We have got some beautiful Banarsis, very beautiful for the festive season. Beautiful colors. These are the range of matka sarees. And nonetheless, my blouses, which we are known for, the fits and the quality of blouses are very good. You should do come and try. You will get all sizes and fittings are not a worry. You will get even the sleeveless ones, the fancy ones, all types. Then we have got some beautiful Banarsi sarees. The range starts from as low as 2,500. And there are some beautiful offers on the sarees as well. So do come and visit us at Label Pop-Up Space. We are here on 29th, 30th and 1st of October. So hope to see you soon.
That was Ronak from Kara Couture. What a lovely collection he has. You know, right? You have various collections over here. He has exhibited the best of his collection. And with that, we have come to end of this reporting. Abhay SS from Navbharat Samachar.